Mother Lake Superior is angry tonight. It's about 8 o'clock only, and it's really dark. And if you look in the phone, you can barely see it, but it's pretty much just about dark. Decide come down here and take a little walk. Anybody who wants to see the waves, hear them, just really loud. I don't see the dog. She'll catch up. Sorry, I know when I walk I shake. I still don't have that GoPro going. I gotta try to find a way up this cliff. It doesn't look like it's very big, but it is for me. So I gotta walk all the way back down here. I'm gonna get wet. Oh, I thought I heard something coming up behind me, and that was Furball. Oh, it came all the way up. We're gonna get wet. Oh, thank you, Mother Superior. It's a little chilly. Yeah, it's cold. Oh, she took away all of our logs. Our nice big long ones. Maybe she'll bring them back. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Okay, keep walking. Oh, here she comes. Oh, shit. That was really cold. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh, was it cold? We'll live. I know. I think we can get up here. Oh. Okay. We still got one log left. Okay. Wanted to share a few minutes. Oh God, is that cold? I will talk to you guys later. All right. Good night. Love y'all.